Hi guys, Sam here from Eggsy. I invite you to join me on a new challenge called Give It a Grow. In this challenge, I'm asking you to have a look around your house and see what you can find to grow. Have a look on your windowsill, in your fridge, in your freezer, in your cupboard, in your veg rack, in your garage. You never know what you might find that you'll be able to grow. Now we're not asking you to find a typical seed packet you might find from the garden centre. We're looking for those other things that you already have in your house that we could potentially grow. This might save us money, it might teach you some new skills. You never know, we might grow some of the favourite things that we enjoy most and didn't realise how easy it was. Now we're going to run a video series to support this and show you how to grow on some of the things that I've managed to find. And we'll even make sure that we think about what we might grow it in, because we don't all have pots lying around. So we'll have a look about how we can create our own pots, how we can upcycle, recycle things from around our house or things we're going to throw away. It is a bit of fun. Not everything we find will necessarily grow, but there's a lot of things that we've got in our houses that will actually grow. It won't cost us any money to go and buy any seeds. In fact, I can show you ways in which you can save money by using things that you enjoy to eat to save those seeds and then go on and grow things. I'll also show you how to split down maybe some of them herbs that you might have bought in the supermarket. They look amazing at first and then die within a week. Now I'll show you how to split them down and grow them on, and therefore you'll have herbs throughout the season. You may even have a live lettuce pack from say somewhere like Diddles. Now, within those lettuce packs, they're fantastic. They're called cut and come again lettuce, so if you chop them down, they should regrow. However, if you split them apart, you'll get even more lettuce out of it, and they'll grow bigger, and then you can chop them down and come again. Now, to help you out, I'm going to go around and hunt around my house, and I'm going to share with you what I've managed to find. Maybe that will inspire you about what you might be able to find in your house.
Well, that's a lot of stuff we found. Got leek celery there, frozen peas, dried peas, little gem lettuce. Wow, we've got loads of spices there: cumin, coriander, mustard, Szechuan pepper, star anise, cardamom, fennel, birdseed, fresh thyme, crushed chili, cherry tomatoes, garlic, ginger, apple, plum. Look at that, we've got a sweet potato already ready to grow, some normal potatoes, root veg, beetroot, parsnip, carrot. Found some hazelnuts, frozen board beans, frozen sweet corn, fresh parsley, rosemary, coriander, mint, basil, chives, pumpkin, butternut squash, pumpkin seeds, pepper, sweet pepper, even an egg. Now that's fertile and fresh, that's not going to go in the incubator. There's some fresh chilies, so many different things to grow. I've also remembered I've got some raspberries on the side.
I hope just like me, you're amazed just about how many things there were to grow around the house. Now I hope you join us on this Give It a Grow challenge, subscribe to this channel and follow us on our journey.